welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome to Christmas with Amanda Oak Ince. I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. If you're new here, my name is Amanda and today I'm going to be decorating my Christmas tree with you. Today is actually the 1st of December, but this video will go out on the 2nd because I've taken the Christmas tree down from the loft and I thought I put the legs and everything together, you know, last year in the same bag. But I didn't, so I couldn't find the legs. I had to take the legs off another Christmas tree, which they were broken, so I had a whole rigmarole of getting this tree to stand upright. But it is now upright and it's looking great. Okay, so this is how it's looking. There you go, that's the tree there. So it's all upright, looking great. So it just needs to be decorated. So this video is also in collaboration with the lovely Claire from Oh What a DIY. Both paired together to bring you Decorate With Us for Christmas or Decorate With Me for Christmas. I'm going to be focusing on my tree and I might do a few other areas in my living room, which I traditionally do every year. But for this video, I'm going to mainly be focusing on the tree, okay? So as you can see, the tree is looking absolutely great. It's up and I've just got to put the baubles on, some lights and some decorations. Now, this year, I didn't actually go out and buy any new decorations as such for the tree. So I had so many items for the tree from last year, and going forward I'm really trying to sort of recycle and upcycle and use items that I already got, you know. So that's the plan going forward into 2022. Yeah, I've got a lot of new content coming your way, all based on that. Okay, so stay tuned. As I said, this video is in collaboration with the gorgeous Claire. She's going to be decorating her tree. Claire is such a lovely lady. I absolutely love her channel. On her channel you can find her doing crafts, DIY, a bit of lifestyle. I just absolutely love her crafts and DIY. She's totally on point and I'm so glad that she actually approached me to do this collaboration with her. So thank you so much, Claire. Okay, I hope you're doing good and let's crack on with this video. Okay, so sorry, before I do start, I'm also going to be doing a giveaway at the end of this video for 2 lucky winners to win a personalized gift. So make sure you stay tuned and watch this video to the end. So yeah, so like I said, this is a new series for this year, Christmas with Amanda Oak Ince. I just don't know where the year's gone. I've been watching back some of my videos from last year and I'm thinking, wow, we're already in December, my birthday month, and we're putting up the tree, you know. Oakley remembers us doing the tree last year. And he said to me, Mummy, if you're going to do the tree, please wait for me to come from school. I can help you do it. So I'm waiting now. I'm just waiting for him to come and then we're going to crack on and do the tree. So guys, if you're liking this kind of content so far, if you're new to the channel, do hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you on board and love to have you as part of my YouTube family. Also, don't forget to check out the lovely Claire's video. See how she's decorated her tree and other areas around her house. I think she's doing some other areas, I'm not sure, but I know she's mainly going to be doing her tree. So like her, we both like to put our trees up on the 1st of December. That's like our little tradition. And I just can't wait to get the tree up and all the lights on, because once the tree's up, you just feel like, yes, Christmas is actually coming. Christmas is literally around the corner. With all that's going on, I'm not going to get into it too much. But yes, Christmas is going to be great this year, okay? So I'll see you back here in a second, okay? Okay, so I've got my box of ball bells. These are the ball bells that I used last year. They've still got the black ribbon on as well. Some of them have got black ribbon. Some of them have white ribbon. So yeah, so what I'm going to do now is just put them onto the tree and then decorate with you as I go along, okay? Okay, so I forgot one vital item for the Christmas tree this year. I don't know what's going on with me, honestly. So I forgot to put the lights on. I normally put the lights on the tree before I start decorating, you know. I know some people like to put the baubles on first and then they put the lights on. So I think I'm going to be okay just putting the lights on now, because I don't want to take all these baubles down and start again. It's going to be a bit much. So I'm just going to crack on now and put the lights on. Okay, so I've got some of this ribbon that I recycled or from last year on the tree. Now I had this on the tree going down vertically and it looked really beautiful. So I'm going to do the same again this year. I've kept like 3 rolls of this. So I've just got them on the side here and I'm going to just go ahead now and put them vertically down the tree to make it look as good as it did last year. Or even better. Okay, so little Oakley is back from school and he's going to be helping me to put a couple of the baubles onto the tree, just like he did last year, isn't it?
All of them.
We'll do all of them, but look, Mommy's done most of them already. Yeah, you've got a couple to put on. Okay? Here's a hot one for you here. Oops. Okay, there's a hot one for you. And you want a star one as well? That's a star. And what else have you got? Oh, another star. Okay, put that around this side. Come around that side. Oh. Okay, so my bauble, my DIY bauble from last year survived another year. There's a couple of them that I made actually. I forgot about this one. That one's just got my name on it. It says Amanda. And then this one I did in a quick DIY that just says Merry Christmas.
I had to go through this.
Okay, so we've finished the tree. Now Oakley's going to put the star on top. He's going to try again. He's a bit taller and a bit heavier than last year. Whoa! Yay! We finished the tree. How's that?
Okay, now.
How does it look?
Yummy.
Good boy.
Now the elves on the shelf.
You want to put the elves on the tree as well?
Yeah, elf on the shelf.
Okay, he loves these little elves. So he wants to put the elf somewhere up there as well. Okay, lovely. Yay! All done. Okay, so the tree's all finished. It looks absolutely amazing. I'm now going to just show you how it's looking. Okay, there we go. Absolutely gorgeous. There's Oakley there with his little Santa hat on. Okay, so we come to the end of the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. I really hope you enjoyed my decorate with me for Christmas. I'm really just, as you can see, I've only just done the tree because I still need to do the living room and I'm going to try and do that over the weekend. So don't forget to check out the lovely Claire's video. I'll link her video in the description box below as well. I'd like to say thank you to Claire for collaborating with me on this video. Also, guys, I did promise that I was going to be doing a giveaway of a personalized gift. I haven't had a chance to do the personalized gift, so I'm still going to do a giveaway and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be giving away. Okay, Oakley just wants to say hi and bye because he's going to just go and sit down and have his dinner.
Bye, see you soon.
Okay, so you go down now. Okay, so I did promise a giveaway on this video, which was going to be a personalized gift, and I was going to give that away to 2 lucky subscribers. Okay, but I haven't had a chance to do the personalized gifts. Okay, it's been so hectic. I haven't had no time to do it, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, but I'm still gonna do a giveaway. Okay, so the giveaway is gonna be a £5 gift voucher, okay, for the All for One card. So the All for One gift card can be used in many outlets, many retail outlets. I'm going to be giving away 2 £5 gift vouchers to 2 lucky subscribers. Okay, so to be in for the chance to win one of these £5 gift vouchers, you need to be subscribed to my channel and also comment on this video with a heart. Okay, a red heart in your comment. Whatever you want to comment about this video, comment and leave a heart at the end of your comment. Okay, I will do a spin the wheel draw and I will draw that lucky winner on my birthday, which is the 9th of December. That's next Thursday. I'll be making the draw for that giveaway. Okay, so don't forget to check out the lovely Claire's video. I'll link it in the description box below. She's going to be decorating around her house as well. I know she's going to be definitely doing the tree. But thank you so much, Claire, for collaborating with me. It's been absolutely amazing. I enjoyed doing my tree. and you kind of gave me the push to actually put my tree up on the 1st, even though that's my tradition. But like I said, there's been a lot going on, and I'm so glad I was able to get up into the loft, get the decorations down, and then put the tree. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Have a lovely Christmas going forward, and stay safe. Stay safe going into the shops and doing your Christmas shopping and all the rest of it. You know, keep well, and I shall see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.